Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Hyundai Elantra. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key items: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have about 4 quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. It's also crucial to let the engine cool down for at least 15 minutes to prevent burns. Now, let's get rid of that old oil. Safely slide under your Elantra and locate the oil drain plug, usually near the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, but be careful not to over-tighten it, which could damage the threads. Almost done, locate the oil filler cap on top of your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in about 4 quarts of new engine oil. After pouring, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level using the dipstick. Add more oil if needed, but avoid overfilling. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick and for any leaks around the filter and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.